Alright, and here's the next set after those four goofy ones. This is a pair of dirt bike injectors from Cheshire Motorsports in Portland. Great group of guys. Pardon the puppy crying in the background. It's cute as can be, but very noisy. These two injectors came in for diagnosis, and the second position injector has an intermittent issue that I'll see if I can display here. It's going to get noisy, so I'll stop talking. Not good. Got a bad contact in that injector. That's going to need to be replaced as well. On a roll today, fixing them.